this is about the membership, courses, community, and certificates. When you open this page, I really would love to edit this photo. Someday I will figure that out. Okay. All right. So it has sales, checkouts, members. I'm just going to let you guys know these sales numbers are not accurate because sometimes you're in bundles. Sometimes you give away stuff for free. Don't rely on those numbers. Okay. So courses, dashboard, products, offers, analytics, and settings. Okay. So I'm going to go to settings first and site details. This is where, let's see here, not liking the portals migrate to don't legacy. Yes. Okay. So you'll want your title of your membership or whatever the portal is, and I have mine as the Canva Clubhouse. I would have done Pam Allen Online, but that is my blog and my website. So I think I probably, yeah, I don't know. I wish it was Pam Allen, but it's okay. I will live with this. It's not a big deal. I have pretty links that has Pam Allen. All right, so I am going to, I'll do this later. You don't need to walk. You don't, so, and then I'm going to change this too. God, what was I thinking? Okay, and then builder show download. Oh, you don't want people to just download all your videos. So make sure that that's, unless you do, but you don't really want that. Okay, but you never know. Okay, so that is that. Domain setup. I think I already showed you all got this part in another video. And then the branding and then app permissions. This is pretty much, it says app, but it's kind of like the desktop too. Like it's giving them what you want them to have. Okay. So I took off communities until I have it built, and then I will mark it back. Courses, affiliates, and then this is new. This is something I'm going to make a video about today, I guess, since I am doing all kinds of videos. This is brand new. And if you do not want people to cancel or update their own credit cards or cancel the subscription on Subtrio, then unmark this. But if you do, and I'm telling you, it will probably save you some time and headache, I would keep it as yes. And then the default, if I put it as home, then it brings it to a page where a lot of people got confused because the community is not set up yet. So I set it up so that when they come in, it's just the courses. And but that's just my preference. Because I had a lot of people, what's this? I joined this, but the community isn't done yet. So their homepage, where their name and picture and where they can do all that, is just not, it was confusing everyone at the moment. However, that is the most logical place that you would want the home. And I will show you all of that soon. Okay, and then branding, same thing. It's we already walked through all that. Okay, let's go back to membership. Okay, and then let's talk about the products. The products are what in your dashboard. So here I have what's in my, pretty much everything in here, everyone gets if they are in my membership. I did start this membership way back in 2023. So we have, this is an older one, and then I have all my changes and my classes And then I have a video vault, and I made a template vault. So there's things that I've added throughout this past year. I have things in here that I am working on, and this is where you know, pretty well outline what you want them to. This is the course. Okay, so this is the course outline. This is not published yet or anything like that, so that's why it looks like this. You would go into details, and this all needs to be filled out. Customization, I always pick this one. There's two other ones. I just didn't like how they looked. And what it is I set it up prior, like I set this one up here. Let's click on it. So it automatic I saved the thing. So what happens when I went in at first, and I do need to change this. I put all my colors in, blah blah blah, and and then I saved it. So every time that I create a new course, all I have to do is just go customize, and then it will customize it and put all these colors in there for me. And I don't have to do too much more. Okay. I do have to put, you could do the instructor and stuff like that. So, let's go back to, and then let me show you one that is already done. Okay, so this is a challenge. So I have the welcome, I have the resources, and then I have days, and then what's next. And this is weird. Oh, day 3 didn't have a video. So then what you can do is welcome to the challenge. I'm just clicking in here. Always have a video with a welcome, okay? Especially with welcome. And then put in there some information, what's going on, and then this is the size that you want, and then you can attach files, and always make sure it says publish. I've been starting to put the videos in, not on top there, but within the product size, because we have them unlisted in on YouTube. But if you, and I'm just, it helps to have all my videos in one place. But if you're not someone that's on YouTube and all that, just upload them up in your course, which is fine. Let's see here. Just wanted to show you. See, I have attached files right here. I don't have a video for this one. This is where you would upload it, or if you're taking it from YouTube, you would just right here put the embedded code. Super simple. Okay, cancel. All right, let's go back. All right, so we did details, customized offers. I don't really with the Canva Magic, they do have these two that they can offer. Like it's like I don't know. I might have this. I never really filled this out, so I'm not quite sure. Maybe I did. I don't know, but I'll look at the other ones. Comments. If you want comments, and I never put these on, you go ahead and you do kind of want comments. And then when you enable them, it will enable all within that thing. So this is something that's overlooked a lot, obviously. Okay. you can create you can create your you can create a certificate in Canva and attach it right here for people to, if they take courses or do a challenge, whatever. People love that. That's a good way to, what do they call it, gamify it or something like that. So all right, so there's that. um Library sorting, you can sort them any way you want. I always like this to be up front and then the most important things. And so there we go. Um, okay, offers. Before you have those products there, you're gonna have to create offers. Um, as for like the Canva AI magic right here, um, this is all that I put in here. It, since it was a, this was not here when I did it, this, but if it did, I would have put this here, and look, May 15th, I would have put May 15th, and then they could have got all the stuff, but I literally had to go in here manually and do that. So there's that. All right. And upsell, I have it on the sales page, so I didn't have one here. You can add it here. I just, it's not like it goes to a checkout kind of thing. So let's see here. If we add an upsell, one click upsell, continue, click upsell, and go Canva Clubhouse, add upsell offer. Okay, and see how yucky it looks. So of course we can come over here and it up a bit, but it's just like one extra step that I don't really need since I have a sales page and upsell and all that. But you never know. Okay, so go back to offers, and you can. So this one has two products. This one, actually, I'll show you here. So you can see that. So with the planning, creating, scheduling your social media, I decided to give them all of my Canva Biz toolkit, okay, for one price. These were freebies. This is a freebie. This is just information, and this is a freebie. So they're paying for this one. So I'm like, here, you can have all of it. So I like, that's like, now you can give people a link just to go right to it, but like I said, it's not the prettiest, and you kind of would like just a sales page for it. I mean, it's doable, it's fine, but a sales page looks so much better. All right. Okay, there we go. And then so offers are for, you're going to create an offer, and this will be in another video. You're wanting to create that offer so that you can put them on sites, like so it can attach to the funnel. So that's what this is for. Okay, and put in our in our dashboard. Analytics, we already did that, right? No, we did not. There's so many analytics everywhere. Okay, so course progress. Um, so you can click on here and see what people have done. So that's awesome. Assessments, I don't have any. I wouldn't even know what to do. Okay, and then member analytics. This is where everybody members. So everyone that has bought something like courses, anything like that, okay? And it shows their logins, all that. Okay, go back. And then revenue. And it just kind of shows you where money was spent. Okay, and on your products. I need to get going and get people into my stuff. All right, so offers analytics. Let's go back. I think we got them all though. Yeah. Okay. So, and then settings, I already did that. All right. Now on to the community part of it. Okay, so this is something I have not set up yet, but I'm going to. Think of communities like the groups, like they are like Facebook groups. Okay. So I have been kind of setting it up a little here and there. And so I do have some stuff. Let's see here. All right. Create a group. Canva. Clubhouse. All right. And then it will give you a URL. You can do a description. You can do the branding. I mean, all kinds of cool little things. And then you create your own. So I'm not going to mess mine up. I think I'm going to do like another group that's just Pam Allen Online and just talk about business kind of things. Okay, so there's that. Now let's look at the settings. And these are the domain setup. So it's the same thing here. Certificates. I don't have any certificates. Maybe I should. Issued, no. And templates. Over here, you can click on some templates. Okay, we got some. Or you can make some in Canva and you can just upload them. All right, so that is the end of the membership part. And remember, more like detailed videos will be done. This is just an overview of everything.